How to download and install the ReSound Smart 3D app. Open the App Store app by tapping the App Store icon. Tap Search in the app navigation. Enter ReSound Smart 3D in the search box and tap Search. Find the ReSound Smart 3D app among the search results and press Get to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, you can find it on your home screen among your other apps. It's easier to use your Smart 3D app if you can find it fast. A good tip is to place the app in your shortcut menu. Hold down the app icon for 1 second. Press Edit Home Screen. You will see that the app icons are moving and they can now be placed freely. Hover your finger on the Smart 3D icon and drag the app to your shortcut menu. Press Home button to lock your apps again if you're using an older iPhone, or simply press Done in the right top corner. You can now quickly open the Smart 3D app and easily operate your hearing aids.